na-realize ko na if you really pray talaga pala, gagaan yung buhay mo. Since I was a kid, I've been praying and alam mo yun, lahat ng meron ako, lahat ng mga pinangarap ko, pinag-pray ko. And since, syempre, gabi-gabi ko yung pinag-pray, natatandaan ko yun. And paglipas ng mga panahon, nakakalimutan ko. Pero pag dumarating siya, sasabi ko, this was my prayer. I have prayed for this. I prayed for this. And natutuwa ako kasi sobrang bait sa akin ng Panginoon. Alam mo yun, na sobrang ang galing niyang mag-alaga. Wala akong masabi kay super. Totoong faithful siya sa promises niya. Sa dami namang pinagdaanan ko sa buhay, like emotionally, mentally, and physically, He was there, He is there, and He never left. Na-build ko yung character ko na strong, not because independent ako. No, it was because I have someone na lagi kong tinatakbuhan. Meron akong kakampi. For example, I felt betrayed by a friend. Hindi ako parang hindi para magpanggap na malakas. I cry. Hindi ko yun kinakaya. Pero I cry to God alone. Sinasabi ko sa Kanya, sobrang lungkot ko, sobrang sakit ng pinagdadaanan ko, ba't ganito, ganyan. And things work. Things work very, very nice sa ways ni Lord. Kasi alam niyo yun, basta I couldn't share here like detailed talaga kung paano ako blessed, how these things happen. Pero I will try. I will try to share it with you guys. Ang galing lang kasi totoo yung sinasabi kung nasaan ka man ngayon, that's your prayer before. Pinag-pray mo yan. So, kung parang nalulungkot ka ngayon sa kung nasaan ka man, like magtatanong ka, tama pa ba tong takbo ng buhay mo, or feeling mo naliligaw ka, alalahanin mo lang na you prayed for it. It was once your dream. Kumbaga, dati pangarap mo lang yan. Dati prayer mo lang yan. But because